Important snoring tips everyone should use. Nobody likes to have their sleep disrupted. However, it can be overlooked and tolerated if it is a fussy baby or a young child who needs your attention. If the cause is constant snoring from your bedmate, however, then something needs to be done. Take a look at these tips for dealing with snoring. If snoring has become a nighttime concern, then it is time to give dairy products such as milk, yogurt or cheese a miss before you go to sleep each night. This is because the dairy products can cause mucus to build up near your breathing passages, and this will trigger off snoring. Don't drink alcoholic beverages before going to bed. The very reason you might be tempted to have a nighttime drink, the fact that you want to relax, can cause you to snore. When your muscles relax because of the alcohol, so do your air passages. As your air passages become restricted, you snore. Unstop your nose to quit snoring. Snoring can be an embarrassing problem. It can relate to a number of factors, not the least of which is nasal congestion. One way to address snoring is to talk to your doctor about decongestants. These medications can be a very effective remedy not just for the embarrassment of snoring but also for the underlying condition. Stopping smoking can help you to stop snoring, as well. If you find it impossible to stop smoking, then at least cut it off in the hours that precede sleep. Smoking causes the throat to swell and the air passages to tighten. The narrower your airway, the more you will snore, therefore, if you can quit smoking, the swelling of your throat will reduce. There is no need to endure night after night of loud snoring from your sleep partner. As you can see from this video, there are lots of things you both can do to tackle this problem. Share these suggestions with your loved one who snores to ensure that you both can sleep soundly every night. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.